What else going on, my party people? Wednesday hump day is out of the way. 2 more days before the weekend. But before we get into this video, hit my...
It's summertime round 09. On the corner, real heavy nigga won't shine. I had this thick red bone on my armpit. Angelina Jolie, nigga, I was Brad Pitt.
Alright, welcome back. I'd like to welcome everybody to one great big aloha. Alright, guess the energy ain't up today. Not feeling the greatest, but we gonna get through it. So I'd like to welcome all my new subscribers, continued subscribers. Welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share. As you already know, we are on the way to 10K. All right, 10K. We want to get 10K by Thanksgiving. So if you could pretty please, just go ahead and tell a family member, friend of a friend, so we can get to that 10K. We're kind of stuck. I haven't grabbed those new subscribers in the last couple of days. I initially got 10, but we need to be doing 10 every day so we can do that giveaway. Bars. All right. Also, go follow the home team 313 Retro Queen on YouTube and IG, as well as the MCFLYKOF on YouTube and IG. Also follow Who Has the Heat. We're going to be doing our sneaker battles again pretty soon. We just not too long finished the season, and we still got to do our ultimate TLC, which will be PR23 versus Matt. So that should be very dope. Now, we kind of a little bit into the month of March. Some people are still getting their cool grades and things of that nature, but we got some shoes that's coming up. One shoe is the Air Max 95 OG Big Bubble Neon. I have one pair of those, so I'm not sure if I'm going to grab those again. They're going to sell, which I probably think they won't be doing. Well, I think they were between 180 and 200, so that is something that I don't necessarily need to have, so I can skip that shoe. Now, moving right along, you also have the Ja Murray State. Very dope. That's where he played his collegiate ball at. Those probably between 130, maybe 140, maybe 150. Very dope colorway. I'm gonna have to keep my ear to the ground on that one because I'm not sure what they're gonna do, but I definitely need that colorway. So we'll see. Very reasonable shoe. Now, one of the shoes this month that everybody's probably gonna be going after will be the Jordan 1 Off-White Alaska. That shoe probably gonna be about $200, but hey, resale on that shoe is pretty done. I think between $2,000 and $3,000, and then the next one would be the Chicago. I think Chicago is the most. So yes, I'm gonna try to go for that shoe. Hopefully, Michael Sneakers app be very forgiving and let me cop that shoe. But if I don't, oh well, it is what it is. Now, you're also gonna have the Jordan 13, right? The Jordan 13 cherries. I don't know, for some reason people don't like this one. They prefer the other one, the black with the red pair. I've seen a comparison. The red is not as dark, but the shape is dope on those. But hey, I had those back in the day. If they sit around long enough, get to the right price, you might see them in E-Money's collection. But the shoe that's dropping this week, the madness is going and talking all about, is the Laker 4. Sound like prices are, if you could have got it for like 300, between 250 300, I would have jumped on it in a heartbeat. I got a couple of raffles in. I'm thinking I'm gonna hit on sneakers and probably try to grab them if the Navy Exchange have those shoes, because I definitely gotta have 2 pairs in the collection, no doubt about that. And then for me, closing out the month, you have the Foamposite UNC joint. That's the PE. Those probably going to be easy, $250. People don't like to spend $250 on foam, but you can wear those all day, any day. They are like tanks, right? Those are stompers, but those would definitely be in the collection. They're supposed to have been last month, but they pushing toward the end of this month. And then, I guess for my sources from GOAT, they saying a special Air Max might be coming out toward the end of this month. So I'll be keeping my eye out for that. Once I get more information, I'll be letting you know what's on deck. Now, let's get into the meat and potatoes of this video, because the item, we got our Wolf Grade 5s late, but as soon as I saw this shoe, I had to have them. Shoe Palace, Foot Locker, and Champs, all of them got their shoes, I think, this week, and boy was it nuts. Standing in line even with a ticket, but the main thing is you have your pair secured. So, Shoe Palace, appreciate you. Always got my little ticket thing on there. And these Wolf Grades, one guy, he didn't even wait till he got out of the store. He went straight to foot or feet or whatever you want to call it. I ain't mad at you, my guy. Got this nice Wolf Grade box. And I got another pair coming out. I'm probably gonna sell those or them, get some of my money, but I don't need two pairs. I'd be lucky to wear one pair, but they are fire. You got your stamper wrapper up in there. You got your paper wafer, but they're not wrapped like sandwiches. So yes, yay, thank you for that. And you see how they are in here? Check it out, like that, like so. Got a little divider in the box. Make sure, let me see, we got no green stick in here. Oh, there it is. The green stick, I'm about to say should be in here because it's suede. You see that is back there in the back. These are clean. I might go against my will and wear these a little bit sooner rather than later. I got my little receipt for the receipt gang, and here we go. Bang, bang. Oh shoot, got too much bang bang. Let's try this again. Bang and bang. Woo-wee. Clean, 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 clean. With that air units, you already know 3, 4, 5, 6 come with those air units. Got to do that little spin-a-rooney. Spin the other one around. You see that? Very, very dope shoe. All right, now we talk about it. Got this icy bottom with your Jumpman. That's the only thing about this one, boy. Once it turns yellow, it's gonna be ugly, but it is clean right now, so I'm gonna try to find a way to preserve them. Clean them with my Rejuvenator and try to keep them clean as possible. Now, on the overall shoe, I don't know what type of material, but I like it. I like it a lot. You see that stitching, and you got the netting on the side. You see those shark teeth, because it's based on the fighter jet. You got the netting, and you have your stitch 23. And I kind of like that because they went behind it, kind of a little bit on that. You have your lace locks and your reflective tone 3M. You can trust me on that. Air Jordan on the back of the tongue, and the Jumpman on the ass. Now you guys let me know, would you have copped these shoes? For those who didn't cop, would you cop these shoes? You think they would be better on the Nike Air, or should they stay the same with the Jumpman on the back? Let me see anything else. I mean, it's pretty much an all gray shoe, so there ain't nothing really too much to talk about. You don't have your traditional shoe tree. These were 220. So it is what it is. If I can get it out of here. Well, you see that stuffing ain't in it. Let me put this stuff out. Just so you can see. Come on out of there. There you go. Inside, around here, you can see that. I don't really like this sock liner. I ain't gonna lie to you, because the sock liner is light. So you already know you gotta wear some light socks. If you wear black or dark socks, you will have some sock bunnies in there. Okay, so 220 with tax, it was 230. So not too bad. I can't complain about that. Can't complain at all. All right, so other than that, I mean, there's nothing to really talk about. Like I said, you just got this. I just like the way this material is. You see, it's not like a nubuck suede. I don't know what it is, but it's very, very dope. Or maybe it is nubuck suede, but it don't feel like it. It's like a very fine, I can't even explain it. Then, of course, around your ankle, you have this puffiness, supposed to be to protect your ankle when you're balling. I don't know, I wouldn't try to ball in these, but for people who do still currently ball, you let me know. Do you still ball in Jordan 5s? Can you ball in the 4s? Can you ball in the 3s? I knew the newer stuff have newer technology, so I definitely would try to ball in those. Put that back in, keep it all nice and fresh. Would you do a lace swap on these, matter of fact? I don't know if I think I'll do a lace swap. Normally I like to break this up Maybe you might can get away with some white laces, maybe even some black laces to break that gray up. But I think with those wolf gray laces, they actually look pretty clean, just like they are. Just want to take a real quick look on this shoe. And I know there's a lot of people saying comparison between this and the Reimagine 5. I had the Reimagine 5, but those are walk the plank. They are long gone. These ain't going nowhere. Just letting you know that now. Now, with that being said, let's talk about the price, the comfort of the shoe. Jordan 5 Comfort, not too bad. Give it about a 4.8 out of 5, right? 4.8 out of 5 for the comfort level. For the price, $220, and you don't even get Nike Air, no hang tag. I mean, even I complain about, wrapping the shoes up with like sandwiches. Hey, you need to give me something extra for that little extra. But hey, it is what it is. Now, the overall of the shoe, so when you talk about comfort, dopeness, price, if the price point was $200 on these, maybe even $210, I would have given it a 5 out of 5. But since it ain't, I gotta give it a 4.9 out of 5. You guys let me know, do you agree? Do you disagree? Do you think this shoe was dope? Do you think it's foo-foo? People just hyping it up too much because some people are hype beasts, but I myself think these are super, super clean. So again, hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, share, tell a family man, friend of a friend. Check out my old videos. I got a couple of them up trying to get into the algorithm, so I need your help. Other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Until the next one, I'm out. Peace.